Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming iOS and available storage, because performance and app compatibility depend on it. Next, sign into your Apple ID and enable iCloud, and find My iPhone to secure data and allow seamless sync. Once done, perform data migration using Quick Start or an encrypted backup in Finder or iTunes. This preserves passwords and health data. Make sure to set a strong passcode and 2FA so your device is both usable and protected from the outset. You now tailor the iPhone to your routines so it works smarter. Create focus modes that show specific home screens and notifications for work, sleep, or driving. This reduces friction and interruptions. Build shortcuts automations to run multi-step tasks with one tap or a schedule, because automation saves time. Then tune battery and background settings. Enable optimized charging, restrict background app refresh for heavy apps, and use low power mode when needed to extend life between charges. You complete setup by locking down security and keeping things updated. Enroll Face ID or Touch ID and enable iCloud Keychain to autofill strong passwords so you won't reuse weak ones. Regularly update iOS and apps to patch bugs and review permissions to avoid privacy leaks. If something goes wrong, try a force restart first. If that fails, reset network settings for connectivity issues or restore from your latest backup. Make sure to test recovery steps so you can act quickly if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.